Good morning to all my friends and family, and welcome to Jim's 5am Club. It's Monday morning, it's the beginning of the work week. I've just popped off the train and have been presented by this masterpiece called Circular Quay, Sydney Harbour. And it's a little bit overcast, a little bit of a breeze today, but the jacarandas are in full bloom, full blossom, and the lilac hue is just absolutely magnificent. It's like they have an aura about them. Anyway, what I want to do today is just take you through a book summary. I'll try and get through this one as quickly as possible because the train's about 10 minutes away. The book that I'm going to go through today is called Making Money Through Trading Options by Michael Sincere. What a beautiful, what a lovely name. Could you imagine going through a book called Making Money on Trading Options by a fellow named Michael Sincere? It's just too good to be true. But anyway, we'll go through this book and see where it leads us. And he kicks off the book with a quote where he says that I'd rather probe with paper money than risk using real money. So one of the beauties of the stock market and the options markets is that you can do dummy trading to get a feel and a hang of the market. So you don't have to be putting your money, you don't have to stump up your real dollars in order to get a feel and have a go, so to speak, and see whether or not you would make money or not. So simulated trading is something that's available to each and every person, and then the author here recommends it as a starting point for those who want to start trading stock options. So stock trading options can be lucrative according to this author, as long as you know how to minimize your risk and opt out as quickly as you can without getting trapped. So what is an option? Not very many people understand options. It's all pretty technical, but you can either own physical stock in a company where you're an owner and you buy those shares on the stock market or the stock exchange, or there are other ways of participating in the fluctuation of share prices, and a stock option allows you to buy or sell at a predetermined price in the future, but you don't have to sell it or buy it at that predetermined price because you can trade it in between. Unlike owning physical stock, when you're buying stock options, you're buying at a thing called a premium. And because of that, because you're only paying the premium, you don't need as much money, and yet you get significant exposure, and it's a very, very highly leveraged way of buying and selling stocks. So much so that you can make money, and lots of money, with market fluctuations, as long as the market is fluctuating in the right direction, because you can make money when the market is going up, and you can make money when the market is going down, depending on what you've bought in terms of your stock option. So in terms of what sort of stocks to trade, or what sort of options to get involved with according to the author, he talks about the test trading strategy, and he says that it's a little bit like gambling on horses during a race, because you can wait to see how things unfold.
Platform 2 goes to Makapa via airport stations. First stop.
So I better get on the train here, otherwise I'll miss out on the opportunity. So let me just duck back onto the train and I'll continue the talk.
Revesby, Panania, East Hills, Holsworthy, Glenfield, then all stations to Campbelltown and then Macarthur.
Here we go. So as we said, the trick is to use technology or use your gut feel or intuition, and there are some people who are much better than others at feeling or being able to understand the direction that a stock is preparing to go. And by using this technology or using your own intuition based on experience, you can decide whether or not to get involved. You need to set up an account and identify stocks that are actively traded, which are $50 or more according to this author. This is an American or a US stock exchange book, so you don't get too many stocks on the Australian stock market which are $50 plus. And you need to also add in the stock index on your watch list, and you can sign up for a dummy account, a simulator account, and you can get a feel for how the stock trades using play money. And once you've got the feel of it, then you can open up a real account and to try and figure out what to buy and when to sell. He talks about a thing called a 5-minute rule, and the things that you need to be aware of is you need to understand the strike price and the expiration date, and you need to look for stock options where the bid price and ask price are not spread too wide, because to make money on the wider spreads is pretty difficult according to the author. The author then suggests to place a limit order, not a market order, and a limit order enables you to name your price rather than take whatever price is available or presented in the market. So there you go. That's just a very, very high level chat about making or trading stock options. I don't trade stock options. I trade physical stock, and I guess it works for me sometimes. It doesn't work for me other times. I've got a stockbroker who monitors the market all day. He's been doing it for many years, and he's got a number of very, very big clients. So that's the way I choose to do it. But there is the options path for those who are more risk tolerant than what I am. And this book is probably an entree into how to go about doing it.
Please stand clear.
So thanks once again, and I look forward to coming to you again from a different location with a different message of empowerment. Wishing you all the best. Happy week ahead, and bye from Circular Quay Station and this magnificent view. Yasas, and take care.